2012 saw great upheaval in the social and human development situation in Pakistan. Severe floods ravaging the country, mounting attacks on civilians, exploitation of marginalized groups, and lesser development opportunities for women. Throughout these dire circumstances, Faces Pakistan has diligently tended to those in crisis. Founded in 2007, Faces Pakistan is a non-government and non-profit organization with an aim to empower underrepresented communities and to foster the well-being of all citizens.
ये फ़ैसला किया था कि हम ऐसी जगहों पे जाएं, रिमोट एरियाज़ में, और उन लोगों के साथ काम करें जिनके पास कोई नहीं जा रहा, ना कोई NGO, ना कोई ऐसे फलाई इदारे। तो उसमें भी हमने कामयाबी हासिल की है। अगले साल के लिए जो अपने टारगेट्स रखे हैं, सबसे अहम हमने रखा है इस दफ़ा पीस और सिक्योरिटी कायम करना, क्योंकि हमारा ख्याल है कि पीस और सिक्योरिटी ही की वजह से जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो सकते हैं।
We started working in the year 2007. That's when we thought of the idea and started working for humanitarian assistance programs. That is from where we developed our forte, which is working in the remotest of areas and working with mixed religious communities and working for peace building, tolerance and coexistence among mixed religious and cultural communities. 2007 onwards, when we formally came into existence in 2009, that's when we developed our different thematic areas. And developing those, we came up with women, children, youth and humanitarian assistance programs. Our new slogan for the year 2013 is that peace, security and people's solidarity are the preconditions for poverty reduction and sustainable development.
Summer of 2007, where we were about a group of 4 or 5 people, but we were clear that we wanted to make a difference. We are now over 60 staff organization. We have 8 offices in all over Pakistan and 1 branch office in Afghanistan as well.
2012 has been a year of renewal, progress and inspiration, focusing on issues like interreligious harmony, sustainable development, social welfare, education and women empowerment. Faces Pakistan currently works in 4 thematic areas throughout the country and through its 8 offices all over Pakistan: youth, women, children and humanitarian assistance.
सोशल मीडिया को हमने यूज़ किया है यूथ को मोबिलाइज़ करने के लिए। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को हमने इंगेज करने की कोशिश की है। जो नेक्स्ट प्लान है वो ये है कि हम फिल्म एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्री को इंट्रोड्यूस कराएं, हम एडवोकेट करें, यूथ को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूथ को इंगेज करें ताकि पीस एंड सॉलिडारिटी, पीपल सॉलिडारिटी पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम किया जा सके।
The current rise in militancy and violence in the country leaves us at a risk of youth's radicalization. Every day, their voices are unheard, ignored, and overlooked. Youth representation is stunted. Hence, progress is crippled. However, Faces Pakistan has begun a movement which is about educating, empowering, engaging, and enlightening the youth for a better future. Building bridges over religious and cultural divides is an initiative to promote peace among youth in South Asia. The Peace Networking campaign aims at bringing about interfaith peace and harmony amongst different sects and religions. Faces Pakistan has also set up the Peace and Harmony Network Pakistan. Currently, more than 3,000 institutes from different religions and sects are engaged with Faces Pakistan for promotion of peace and harmony. Faces Pakistan has also taken the innovative step of forming the Geographical Information System (GIS) for the mapping of religious institutes in Pakistan.
फेसिस पाकिस्तान का जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है उसमें भी हमने काफ़ी कोशिश की है इस दफ़ा कि विमेन को इन्वॉल्व करें. अब हमारे जो भी डिपार्टमेंट हेड्स हैं वो मोस्टली विमेन ही हैं, तो देयर इज़ अ जेंडर बैलेंस इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इटसेल्फ.
Considering the current distressing state of women in Pakistan, FACES has initiated 3 projects for the benefit of the underdeveloped, underprivileged and downtrodden women to impart skills, create employment opportunities and promote a sense of optimism and hope. The Health Education and Enterprise Development is a project which endeavours to bring together women of different minority groups from the community, providing them with information and services related to their health, hygiene, and enterprise development. Women are provided entrepreneurial knowledge to utilize their skills, and funds are provided so that they can set up their own ventures.
असां बा बोर्ड को वठी कम कंदा रहंदा आहियूं सॼा ई ॿार जेका ई शेरलाबाद जा आहिनि नंढे लाइक़ वठी पोरियो करे पंहिंजे शहर में वेचे दम गुज़र कंदा आहियूं. गिंदी ठाहींदा आहियूं, गगा भरींदा आहियूं, वेहणा ठाहींदा आहियूं, दस्तरखाना ठाहींदा आहियूं, अगट ठाहींदा आहियूं, हर पोरियो कंदा आहियूं बाबा.
Housekeeping training for marginalized women. Through this exceptional program, FACES Pakistan, in collaboration with USAID, has provided housekeeping training and awareness to 1,000 housemaids. These women are placed as household maids and are also provided with a skill set that makes it easier for them to seek and accomplish jobs.
मेरा नाम अना शहजाद है. मैंने फेसिस पाकिस्तान की तरफ से हाउसकीपिंग का कोर्स किया है जिसमें हमें बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें मालूम हुई जिनका शायद हमें इल्म नहीं था. मतलब वक्त की बचत, घरों की अच्छे तरीके से सफाई, बेबी केयर और बहुत ऐसी बातें जिनके ज़रिए से हम अपनी फ्यूचर लाइफ को और ज़्यादा ब्राइट बना सकते हैं.
The Sola Singhar Beauty Salon. To combat the lack of employment opportunities, distressing financial situations, and general sense of hopelessness amongst women hailing from underprivileged areas, FACES Pakistan started Sola Singhar, a beauty salon project which trains marginalized women in the beauty arts so that they can support themselves financially.
मेरा नाम फरवा है और मुझे इस सैलून में आए हुए जो कि सोला सिंघार है, फेसिस पाकिस्तान का ये प्रोजेक्ट है. यहाँ पे आए हुए मुझे 5 मंथ हुए हैं और यहाँ पे आने की जो रीज़न थी वो ये कि दूसरे पार्लर से, दूसरे सैलून से ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. उसकी वजह ये कि ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है, जिस अदारे का ये प्रोजेक्ट है, वो अदारा ख़वातीन की फ़लाह व बहबूद के लिए, उनकी मदद के लिए जो है वो काम कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे उन्हें ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है विदाउट मनी और बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. वो अपना काम जो है सीख सकती हैं, फिर उनके काम आते हैं.
A large number of Afghan refugee children have no access to proper education and also face adjustment problems on their return to Afghanistan. Considering this, the Peace School for Afghan refugee children is an initiative to support and facilitate the children of Afghan refugees. 3 schools have been established in high-density Afghan refugee areas of Lahore, Sialkot and Gujarat. Currently, 600 students are enrolled in grades 1 to 5. Some of the worst floods in Pakistan's history washed away entire towns and villages. claiming countless lives and leaving the thousands of survivors homeless and without shelter. For the past 2 years, Faces Pakistan, together with Caritas Austria and Germany, has been helping the residents of several villages in Sindh to rehabilitate them from the devastating natural disasters. Faces Pakistan constructed and handed over hundreds of houses and temporary shelters to the displaced mixed religious communities of Kandkot and Badin, including some other parts of Sindh, alleviating their suffering due to lack of shelter and giving hope for a reconstructible future. Faces Pakistan, in collaboration with Caritas Germany, has successfully installed 1,000 temporary shelters for the mixed religious communities in different union councils of District Badin, Sindh.
मैं नाम है मोहम्मद हसन, पेशा हमारा की कारा कने हूँ, बड़ा सैलाब के आते हैं, तमारे ने तबाह को मैया, बड़ा हमारे बाद फैसद पाकिस्तान हमारा लोग हाँ, तमाम आमशी हम खुश भी है, जिंदगी ये सुठा ना गुजारा हूँ, पेशा में लोग लांडड़ी छोपड़ी है, नहीं मार, वो मिलना लोग तो ये लोग सामने लोग मने, मना मिलना तमाम शी हम खुश।
गुलासन में नाम है, बारा की कारा कने हूँ, बादल खान हल्का रिश्ती हूँ, सैलाब आता मैं सैलाब हर शे बुर्थ पुरुष लोड हो, वैसे पाकिस्तान हमारा लोग दादा नी मादौरियाँ नी वाली रोजगार खाना
से प्यारे दुख तेरे मिट जाएंगे।
मां जो नालो से फुंदू है ज़ात जा हिंदू माड़ वाली टे पुटन टे 4 धियान ये वेठी हूंदा असां जगियूं सैलाब आई असांजा घर बार समरा माना ख़त्म थी विया उन खां बाद पोइ झूपड़ी में रहियासीं मथों फिक्स पाकिस्तान आई उन असां ते अची इमदादी कई असांखे हाणे घर मिलियो पको वेठा आहियूं दुआयूं कंदा पिया ॿियो ख़ैर आहे।
Faces Pakistan has constructed and handed over 525 permanent one-room core shelter houses with a toilet facility each for the flood-affected families of Kandkot. 427 septic tanks have also been constructed. Faces Pakistan has further started a complete wash program in the 6 villages of Kandkot, where we are constructing toilets and septic tanks for the beneficiaries, along with extensive hygiene and sanitation trainings.
पेशा बाथरूम नहीं आएंदा मा तमाम जंगला में रहोगे तो हमारा नहीं तो हमार का खबर द नहीं दस्तां शो लगे न चाहिए काश खबर द नहीं पेशा इन्हीं मार फेसेस पाकिस्तान वाला से कर दे दस्तां शो लगा बिल्कुल साबड़ा को हर शय।
Solar disinfection of water, SODIs, which included 6 PET bottles and 1 corrugated iron sheet table for 1 family, was also distributed to hundreds of families. It is the mission of Faces Pakistan to improve lives and provide support to the disadvantaged and the marginalized, demonstrating the power of hope. Standing by the people in their time of need and working tirelessly for the betterment of all citizens, Faces Pakistan is determined to make life worth living and help everyone realize their dreams of a peaceful and prosperous future.